to the beach today. We're going to Carmel Beach. It's been kind of hot. I'm gonna go there and cool down. Hi, Billy.
Do you think the horchata thing is still good?
Oh.
I don't know, I guess.
Hey there. Money.
Boy, commence me.
What do you drink? And what is it?
You're like, oh, they know how to make
matcha with sweet cinnamon cold foam.
You're like,
Bomb.
oh,
We're having a picnic on the beach. The girls decided to put together a little snack tray. We'll see if it's hot enough to like go into the water. Over here in Fresno, it's about 110 degrees. I checked the weather and over there, it's only like 65. That's why I decided to wear a t-shirt and leggings. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Mom and Dad.
Can I talk to you real quick? No, I'm good.
We're gonna go.
We came here. We stopped at Target. We're here in Monterey. It's fucking freezing.
What's my sweater?
Back there, no?
Where? I'll put my sweater on.
Okay. We're gonna go pee.
I know it's orange, but it was like
And then
the
we head out
bigger
to the
sweater
beach.
that I had, so that's why I was like, oh,
Okay. I just want to see the view over there too, though. Oh, but it's so cold. I feel like I'm in New York.
Really?
Yes, this is what New York is like right now.
Lafayette. Lemon tart. Yep.
It's like a little village, like a little elf village.
this is how it is. I wish more stores and things would look like
Yeah.
this.
There's that little meatball.
It's a little, oh, the dog.
Little meatball.
Yeah, we start with your face. We're here, Monterey, we made it. Beach looks crazy. It's a New York thing. Calm down. Try to vlog. What do you add?
I just add whatever.
I just put that much.
What are you making yourself?
Pesto sandwich.
I highly recommend these. These are really good. Chomps.
This tray is cool.
Oh, I know. Steph says she got it on TikTok, I think.
Oh, yeah. I don't know what type of cheese this is.
Mozzarella.
Oh, okay. There you go.
Yeah, those I eat them with ranch. Is it good? Nice.
Good the opposite way.
Look at it. I'm making an empire right now.
We've just progressively been moving forward or
No, there's a
something.
dead fish right there.
No way. Do it.
How does this ocean look compared to the ones in New York?
What?
How does this ocean look compared to the ones in New York?
The oceans in New York are black. Like green black.
Sorry. I don't know why I'm not recording. Whatever.
The roof.
So beautiful.
You like that curvy look?
Wow, they have dog bowls everywhere.
I know. Treats and dog bowls, this says, in certain areas. Hey, what are you growling at?
At the dog
Oh my god, beautiful, dude. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh, that is so cute. I'm shocked she's not barking at those. Oh, she saw it. She saw it. She saw it. Oh gosh. Yeah. Okay, wait, what time do they close here?
I don't know.
So you can put my ring or some shit?
I know.
That'd be so cute.
So cute.
Like honey or something?
Yeah. These are cute too.
Beef.
B for
Bow. Beef or bow?
that's cool though. A sticker book like that. Those are cool. They're not like shiny. They're like paper.
Yeah.
Yeah. How much is that book though? It's got to at least be 20 more.
27. I mean, it's a lot of stuff. But it's a ton of photos.
Aesthetically pleasing photos too. I like
This for Raven.
They look both cute. Okay.
Oh my god, look at the dresses. Wearing that dog.
Look at this one.
I know.
A raven.
Oh yeah.
That thing's for Billy.
Can we just become one of those rich people that like to dress up their dogs all the time?
For real, dude.
Only. Honestly. I'm ready.
This one will be for Raven.
Yeah. Which one for Stormy?
I need like a triple XL for that.
Shopping for Billy. That's so funny.
Put your drink there.
Oh yeah. Can I take a Victor?
Yeah.
Because I can take a Victor right now.
Sometimes you don't. I already got it.
A what? So I can rub
You
it?
can rub it. Yeah.
You worked yourself into that one,
I
Steph.
meant to say it.
Whoa, look, they're tying scarves, Steph. They're tying a scarf.
I know, I just saw that. Bro, that's exactly what I want to do. I love rings.
Yeah.